Today, I'm going to show you how to make one of my favorite summer recipes, Orzo salad. It's a great side dish that you can make for your summer barbecues. Here's what you need. You'll want to have some small tomatoes, like grape tomatoes or cherry tomatoes, a cucumber, some peppers, a red onion, feta cheese, Orzo pasta, and an oil-based salad dressing. I like using this classic herb salad dressing, but you can use Italian or a vinaigrette. Depending on how much salad you want to make, you will adjust the amount of pasta you use. I'm going to cook about 1 1/4 cups of orzo. Orzo pasta looks like rice, and you'll find it in a smaller box compared to other pasta. The first thing you'll do is put a pot of water on to boil. You can add some salt to the water for taste. Once the water is boiling, add in the pasta. Make sure you stir the pasta fairly regularly. You don't want it sticking to the bottom of the pot. You will also want to be careful about the water boiling over. You can reduce the heat and keep a wooden spoon over the pot to help stop this from happening. You'll know the pasta is ready when the pieces are plumped up and the water seems thick. Pour the pasta out into a colander or strainer in the sink. Then rinse the pasta with cold water. Set the orzo aside while you cut up the vegetables. Let's dice the peppers first. Cut the pepper in half, remove the seeds, and rinse the pepper. Then slice the pepper into strips and cut the strips into cubes. Repeat this process for the rest of the peppers. Now that we've diced the peppers, let's cut up the cucumber. First, slice the cucumber, then cut each slice into quarters. You can either peel the cucumber or not. It's up to you. Next, we are going to slice up the red onion. In order to make this a little easier, I normally cut a grid into the top of the onion. Then, I slice the onion like normal, and you have instantly cubed onion. Finally, cut up the tomatoes into quarters. Now it's time to put it all together. We have the orzo pasta, which is in the serving bowl already. We have the peppers, cucumber, onion, and tomatoes ready to go. First, add all of the vegetables into the pasta and stir it up. Then, sprinkle the feta cheese onto the salad and stir that in. Finally, you add the salad dressing and stir that in as well. And that's it! You can taste the salad to see if you need to add more feta cheese or salad dressing until you're happy with the taste. You'll want to chill the orzo salad for a few hours before you serve it. Enjoy!